In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a sky in Luminar Neo in just 5 minutes. Whether you want to add a dramatic sunset or clear blue skies to your photos, Luminar Neo's Sky AI feature makes it easy. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. With the application open, head over to the Catalog tab where you can select your image. If your image is already in the list, simply click on it. If it isn't there yet, click on Add Photos to select your image from your computer. Once your image is ready, navigate to the Edit module to get started with the creative process. Now, keep your eyes on the right side panel. This is where we'll find the Creative Tools section. Go ahead and select Sky AI. This tool is specifically designed to help you replace and adjust skies in your photographs seamlessly. When you open up Sky AI, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Sky Selection. Here, you'll find a variety of sky presets to choose from. They're conveniently organized into categories such as sunset, night, and dramatic, making it easier for you to find the perfect sky that complements your image. Browse through these options and select the one that best suits your needs. As soon as you select your new sky, Luminar Neo will automatically apply it to your image. You'll immediately see the transformation, but we're not done yet. There are several sliders available in the Sky AI panel that allow you to fine-tune the results even further. It's these adjustments that will make your edited image truly shine. To align the new sky perfectly, use the sliders to adjust its position, including the horizon, vertical, and horizontal position. If it suits your image better, you also have the option to flip the sky horizontally. Sometimes, the automatic masking around objects like trees or buildings might not be perfect. If this happens, you can refine the edges using the close gaps and fix details sliders. These adjustments ensure a more polished result, making the transition between the original and new elements seamless. Next, pay attention to how the new sky integrates with the rest of your photo. Adjust the brightness, warmth, and defocus to ensure the replaced sky complements the overall tone and mood of your image. Finally, to make everything look natural and cohesive, use the Scene Relighting or Relight AI sliders. These tools adjust the colors and brightness of the foreground to match the tones of your new sky, enhancing the realism of your photo. And there you have it, a complete sky replacement in Luminar Neo that gives your photos a fresh, vibrant look. Experiment with different skies and adjustments to see just what you can create. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.